Hi, kids! I'm Miss Shelly, and welcome to episode 5 of our social skills adventure. Today, we're going to learn a superpower, listening. It helps us understand our friends' little secrets and makes our friendships even stronger. Are you ready to become a listening pro with me? Listening means paying close attention when someone is talking, not just with your ears, but with your heart. It's like being a little detective, discovering the hidden treasures in your friend's thoughts. One day, Milo the kitten wanted to play with Buddy the puppy, but Buddy was too busy chasing his tail to listen. Milo felt disappointed. Later, Buddy stopped, listened carefully, and heard Milo say, "I want to play with you." So they played together and had a blast. See? When Buddy learned to listen, Milo felt happy, and their friendship grew stronger. That's the magic of listening. Want to become a listening pro? Try these 3 magical tricks. Each one comes with a real-life story. Magic trick number 1, look at your friend's eyes. It's like saying, "I'm really listening to you." This makes your friend feel important. One day, Emma was showing Jake her new drawing. But Jake was playing with his toy and just said, "Uh-huh." Emma felt like he wasn't really listening. Later, Jake stopped, looked into Emma's eyes, and listened. Emma smiled and said, "You really understand me." Try it. Eyes are like magic windows that show your friend you care. Magic trick number 2, nod or smile. When a friend is talking, nodding or smiling is like saying, "I get it." It makes your friend want to share more with you. One day, Ethan told Sophie that he found a shiny rock at the park. As Sophie listened, she nodded and smiled. Ethan felt happy and thought she was really nice. Later, he even gave her the rock, and they became great friends. Nodding and smiling are little magic tricks that make friends feel special. Magic trick number 3, repeat what your friend says. Say back what your friend told you, like, "Oh, you like running, right?" This helps your friend know you really listened. One day, Leo told Mia, "Yesterday, I fell while running." Mia repeated, "Oh no." "You fell while running, did it hurt?" Leo felt like Mia really cared. Later, they ran together and cheered each other on. Repeating your friend's words is like a magic spell that makes them feel super cared for. That's it for today's listening magic class. Now you've learned 3 big tricks: eye contact, nodding, and repeating words. Do you feel like a listening pro already? Try it out, talk to a friend, and see what magical things happen. Next time, we'll have even more exciting adventures. See you soon, little detectives.